Brand new Holley Sniper EFI Self-Tuning Master Kit, Shiny Finish Holley Sniper 4-Barrel Fuel Injection Conversion, Self-Tuning Master Kit plus Handheld EFI Monitor, Part #550-510K, Holley just brought EFI within range, introducing Sniper EFI Master Kits. It's economically priced so you can have all the benefits of EFI and still have money to finish or upgrade the rest of your ride. Perfect for street rods, muscle cars, off-road trucks or nearly any carbureted vehicle. The Sniper EFI Master Kit contains the most complete EFI fuel system on the market. Everything is included to completely plumb your fuel system, including 20 feet of 3/8 EFI hose, inline fuel pump, post and pre-fuel filters, return bulkhead, and all of the necessary fittings and hardware. Put an end to cold start issues, hesitations, vapor lock, and flooding. Upgrade to Sniper EFI and get the tactical accuracy of EFI today. Specs: Cfm 800 emission code, 3 finish, shiny flange style, dual bolt pattern fuel pressure, 58.5 psi height, 3.28 injector size, 100 pounds/hr at 58.5 psi inlet/outlet size, 9/16-18 female O-ring, and 6, map sensor, 2-bar max horsepower rating, 650 naturally aspirated product type, Sniper 4Bbl TVI kits transmission, 700 R4/200 R4 TH350. See more product details in the description to get this product today at the best price. Brand new Holley Sniper EFI Self-Tuning Master Kit, Shiny Finish Holley Sniper 4-Barrel Fuel Injection Conversion, Self-Tuning Master Kit.